In today's video, I'm going to be doing a trial run for the workshop at the Anderton Center. So what I did beforehand of this video, I collected materials around the area that I decided I wanted to run my workshop. I picked up sticks, leaves, flowers and moss, any other objects that I thought would go well with my work. I'm also using the sticks to be able to draw and carve into the mud. For this design, I didn't go with a particular theme. At this point, the themes weren't decided. I'm not sure where to go with them yet. So I'm kind of just experimenting to see what designs will go well. With this one, I'm designing a piece that's related to religion of Wicca, and as well involving Mother Nature, which I thought would be quite poetic and also related to the Wicca religion, as environmentally friendly behaviours is good for Wicca. This theme just sort of came to my head, and the inspiration and how I felt in that moment for my creativity, so that's why I decided to go with this theme. But in the future, when it comes to long term with my workshops, I'm looking around targeting audience ages that suit the Anderton Center, so around 4 to 11, 12, so on and so on, maybe 16 the oldest. So with this, I got to think about what themes would suit best for a 4-year-old, but also a teenager. So thinking about that and thinking about the nature around, I was thinking of aspects of fairy tales, and obviously behind me you can see there's the lake as well, and I was thinking about river monsters, how to participate kind of characters into the workshop to bring more excitement for the children, but also spark up those creative ideas when, if they're using pieces of nature materials to create these characters, creativity thinking really can be advanced. So here I'm just adding my finishing touches, creating a circle around my work. In Wicca we would call this the protection circle, to keep bad energy out, as well as participating earth into my piece. This was my final piece.